These are Realme Buds 2, successor to Realme Buds, which were already really good and cheap. Let's unbox them and see what things we get in the box. As you can see, I had ordered the green variant just for a change. I like how neatly earphones are packed. In the compartment given below, the rest of the earphones are placed with some accessories. They have given this small manual which contains warranty information and user instructions. Apart from that, I'm really impressed by the packaging Realme has provided. For mere 500 rupees, 10 on 10 for the unboxing experience. In the box, extra silicone ear tips are also provided with different sizes. And they are extremely soft, so they won't hurt your ear. You get them in 2 different sizes. Let's take a look at the earphones. As you can see, the green color is really dark and I expected it to be little on bluish green side, but it still looks good. Earpieces have matte finishing which looks really good. Also, earpieces are provided with magnets similar to Bluetooth neckbands. I don't know how I'm going to use them. For neckband, I understand you can stick them together in front of the neck. Maybe we could stick them behind the neck while we are not listening to them. Or it will help in better cable management. Realme also has provided good quality controller with mic, unlike the Sennheiser CX180, which don't have a microphone. By this controller, you can pause the music as well as you can control the volume. And buttons feel nice and tactile. Let's take a look at the cable. Realme Buds 2 come with an anti-tangle braided cable which will not get easily tangled. Quality of the braided cable feels really good and it will guarantee rugged usage of the earphones. A rubberized cable management strap is also provided so that you can tie the earphones whenever not in use. If I take the earphones and mush them in my fist, as you can see, they don't get tangled and stay separated unlike the other earphones. I have been using these earphones for about a week now, and to be honest, I did not expect them to be that good, costing just 500 rupees, but I have been pleasantly surprised. Let's talk about the positives. Previously, I was using Sennheiser CX180s, which are pretty solid earphones for the price, but my complaint with them was absence of microphone and poor cable quality. This is how they look after rugged usage, completely destroyed. So I wanted to buy cheap earphones which would sound decent enough and they should have a sturdy build quality. Realme Buds 2 tick all those boxes as they are provided with a braided cable so that they can handle rugged usage easily. And anti-tangle cable helps even more for longevity. So full marks for the materials used. Now the sound quality. For the earphones that are priced around 500 rupees, you don't expect them to be really good sounding with punchy bass. Generally, cheap earphones tend to provide muddy sound with flatter sound profile. But Realme Buds 2 are not like that. They provide quite balanced sound with decent amount of bass. Although I would have loved if bass could have been more punchier. But you cannot complain as already you are getting a really good package for just 500 rupees. In conclusion, Realme Buds 2 is a solid deal with nice build quality and the sound profile that everyone will like. These are one of the cheapest good quality earphones out there. And that's all for today's video. If you find this helpful, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this one and I will catch you in the next one.